In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename metrics and filters in Looker Studio. Whether you're looking to clarify fields in your data source or update filter names throughout your report, I've got you covered. This can significantly enhance the clarity of your reports, making them more user-friendly and easier to understand. Let's start with renaming metrics, also known as fields, in Looker Studio. There are two methods to achieve this, and I'll guide you through both. First up is renaming a field in the data source itself. This is the option you'd choose if you want the change to apply universally across your report. Start by navigating to the Resource menu, click on Manage Added Data Sources, and then select Edit on the relevant data source you're working with. Once you're in the data source editor, locate the field you wish to rename. Simply click on the current name of the field, and then you can enter a new, more intuitive name. For example, if your original field is labeled Order Value and you want it to sound clearer, you might change it to AVG Order Value. This new name will automatically reflect across all charts and calculations in your report that use that field. However, do keep in mind that if you've already custom named the field within a specific chart, those particular names will remain as they are. Now let's move on to the second option, which is renaming a field specifically for a chart without altering its overall data source name. In this case, you'll first need to be in edit mode. Start by selecting the particular chart you're interested in and take a look at the setup panel. Click on the field's current name, let's say it's Sum Revenue, and then type in your desired new label, like Average Revenue. This change will only apply to the selected chart, allowing the original data source name to stay intact. Just a quick note. Looker Studio operates using field IDs behind the scenes, so when you're renaming fields, you usually won't run into any issues with breaking your reports, even if you need to reconnect your data source at some point. Let's now transition into renaming filters. If you've got existing filters you want to rename, here's how you can do it step by step. Again, make sure you're in Edit mode, go up to the Resource menu, and click on Manage Filters. In the Filter Manager list, find the filter you need to rename. Next to it, you'll see an Edit button, or possibly a three-dot menu. Choose this option, and then change the name to something more descriptive. It could be anything that makes sense, like Only Purchases, or Exclude Internal Traffic. Once you click Save, your new filter name will be updated everywhere it is applied. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having more sophisticated and easily understandable Looker Studio reports. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.